windows in. And you see how long I have this window knocked out from November. And now we can't install, but I got these two installed. What a thing. I didn't get my window installed because my window over here is 3 feet wide. You have to dig from left to right to 3 feet because I'm changing the size. That's why. And I had it frosted and I should have get it tint to match this one. These are dark. When I turn on the light on inside, can't see. You can't see inside. Yeah. I turn on the light and someone on the inside you can't see. So guys, I need a telly. I need a light. Transfer that light in the center. And the catastrophe over here. So windows are in. Awesome. Nice. So I need to change this one in the future. And this one. Dang, that make the house look way better. And also, this is my room. I also need to change this one as well and get a cable guy come sort this monstrosity out. And I'm gonna measure that out and get that cut so that when the guy come, he can fit out all the windows with the cement and fix that crack right there and fix that one up. I'm batshit tired and I'm sore and the phone is in black and white from yesterday. I don't know what I touch, but I don't know what I touch. You know I'm phone illiterate. So today I went to get from the other day I was told to get a credit union account and did all the papers and I need a bill. Go to Flow. They said they no longer print bill. I was like, they're giving me the runaround. I was like, I need to speak to a supervisor because it cannot be this hard to just get a printout. Yes, you change your thing, but there are people out there who is illiterate, like illiterate to technology. All I'm asking is to print me out a bill. Is she gonna tell me the balance? I said, I didn't ask you for my balance, I asked you for a bill. So I went up to the front and I was so mad. I'd fly past everybody in the line and I apologized for everybody who was in the queue, but I was furious. So I apologized to y'all. And I stormed in and was like, I need to speak to your supervisor because all I need is a bill to go open a bank account. And this girl is going to tell me that I can't get a bill. It's emailed to me. And all my bill that normally emailed to me, I have to click on a link to open it. I don't know anything about that, meaning I used to pay my Flow bill online until I screw up my account, like the password. One time I tried to go in, I can't go in. I don't remember my password because when you change from phone to phone or after a year or two, they want you to change your password when I don't remember my password. So I cannot get on my Flow thing. And I told the lady I break all my phones and even this phone break this morning. Okay, so she said the only thing I can do is email. I was like, God damn it, go ahead, email. She asked me for my email address and I gave it to her. So she sent it to me. I wrote to my brother and so and I was like, could you check my email if you see an email and print it out for me? So when in my phone, the email is there, which is the actual bill now. So I sent it to their email and print it out. I went and got my account open. It doesn't have to be. Life shouldn't be this hard on people who is computer illiterate, technology illiterate, because not everybody is smart enough to know about technical, those things. Mind you, I did to be honest. I was good with computer back in the days when Windows days. I got sick, went in the hospital, they jacked me up with lithium and a whole slew of stuff, and I keep on have to tell people this. That's why I can't remember stuff. So that's the story with me and my memory. I can't remember passwords, even though I write it down. I don't know what I write down afterwards, and it's in bold English, plain
clear, I still screw it up. Sorry, some people are just like that.